The term Salaf has come in the Quran in 8 places. No more, no less. 8 places in the Quran. The meaning that it revolves around in those 8 places in the Quran is تقدم وسبق. The scholars, they say السين واللام والفاء أصل يدل على تقدم وسبق. That the sin, lam and fa, salaf, it comes from ancestors and predecessors.
Okay.
That's what it means in the language. Allah says فَجَعَلْنَاهُمْ سَلَفًا وَمَثَلًا لِلْآخِرِينَ and وَأَن تَجْمَعُ بَيْنَ الْأُخْتَيْنِ إِلَّا مَا قَدْ سَلَفَ. You know, and the meaning in all of those 2 verses that I mentioned and the other remaining verses is ancestor and a predecessor.
So people who have come before us.
Nah.
Okay. And so is this a linguistic definition or is this an Islamic specific definition?
This is the lexical definition, the linguistic definition.
Okay.
So in the Arabic language, that's what it means.
And what does it mean in the religion of Islam then?
In the Sharia, it means, the scholars, they said, it means following and being of the methodology of the 3 noble generation. ثلاثة القرون المفضلة. Based on a hadith in Sahihain, Bukhari and Muslim, in hadith Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, the Prophet ﷺ, he said, خير الناس قرني ثم الذين يلونهم ثم الذين يلونهم. That the best of generation is my generation, and the generation that comes after, and the generation that comes after. So the messenger, he mentioned 3 generations. And in another ayah, Allah Azza wa Jalla, he said, وَالسَّابِقُونَ الْأَوَّلُونَ مِنَ الْمُهَاجِرِينَ وَالْأَنصَارِ وَالَّذِينَ اتَّبَعُوهُمْ بِإِحْسَانٍ. Again, Allah mentioned here the early generation.
Okay.
So the scholars, they said that these 3 noble generation, these golden generation, they're the ones that are considered to be the Salaf, the predecessors.
Okay.